Welcome. In this video we will see Keimpx password attack tool in Linux. Keimpx is an open source tool released under a modified version of Apache License 1.1. It can be used to quickly check for valid credentials across a network or SMB. Credential can be a combination of user or NTLM login session token. If any valid credential has been discovered across the network after its attack phase, the user is asked to choose which host to connect to and which valid credential to use. Then he will be prompted with an interactive SMB shell where the user can spawn an interactive command prompt, navigate through the remote SMB shares, list, upload, download files, create, remove files, etc. Deploy and undeploy his own service, for instance, a backdoor listing on a TCP port or incoming connections. List users' details, domains, and password policy. Let's open up terminal, type Keimpx -h. You can see that the option for Keimpx tool --, version show program version number, -h show help message, -v verbosity level 0 to 2, -t target address, and so on. Let's open up text editor and type victim IP address, that is 192.168.154.131 and 192.168.154.129 and so on. Save it as IP address. Let's read a list of IP address and attempt to log in as the user victim with the password of script with the verbosity level of 1 running in batch mode. So first let's read a list of IP address. For that, type Keimpx-l root /desktop/IP_address.txt. So here we are reading a list of IP address. And now attempt to log in as a user victim. So for that, -u root as my username, -p that is with the password, tor which is the password, -v with a verbosity of 1 that is -v1 and running in a batch mode that is -b. Here you can see that there is no credentials work on any target. Let's try with different username and password as msadmin. That is Keimpx-1 root desktop IP_address.txt -u msadmin as my username, -p password also msadmin as my password with the verbosity level of 1 that is -v1 and running in the batch mode -b. Here you can see that successful login for msadmin with msadmin on 192.168.154.131 at 445. User sorted results msadmin on 192.168.154.131. So that's it in this video on Keimpx password attack tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.